This 10-minute jump rope challenge burns fat faster than running consistently. Most people fail because they use the wrong technique and quit too early. Today, you will learn a simple system that maximizes fat burning efficiency. No gym needed, just a rope and the right strategy for transformation. Stay until the end because the final round triggers maximum fat burn. Start with a relaxed posture, keeping your shoulders loose and balanced. Keep your jumps low, controlled, and efficient to save energy longer. Use your wrists to spin the rope instead of your arms. Focus on rhythm because consistency burns more calories than speed alone. Begin slow and steady, building control before increasing your intensity. First round warms up your body, improving coordination and muscle activation. Stay light on your feet and avoid hitting the ground too hard. Control your breathing to maintain endurance and avoid early fatigue completely. This is where beginners usually make their biggest and most common mistakes. Now increase your pace slightly while maintaining control and proper rhythm. Keep your core tight to improve balance and overall jumping efficiency. Every jump should feel smooth, relaxed, and completely under your control. Transition into alternating feet to engage more muscles and burn calories. This method increases fat loss without exhausting your body too quickly. Keep your eyes forward, maintaining posture throughout the entire workout session. Avoid bending forward as fatigue builds and maintain strong body alignment. Increase your speed gradually and test your endurance without losing control. Feel your heart rate rising as your body enters fat-burning mode. Stay consistent even when your body starts feeling tired and uncomfortable. That discomfort means your body is adapting and becoming stronger every second. Switch into high knees to dramatically increase intensity and calorie burn. Drive your knees upward, engaging your core and activating more muscles. This movement accelerates fat loss and boosts your overall conditioning fast. Keep your breathing steady even as intensity continues to rise higher. Return to basic bounce to slightly recover while still burning calories. Active recovery keeps your heart rate elevated and metabolism working efficiently. Now push faster while maintaining your form and control under pressure. Stay mentally focused because this is where most people give up. Your body wants to stop, but your discipline must push forward now. Try double speed jumping to maximize calorie burn and intensity output. Short, quick jumps improve efficiency and help conserve your energy longer. Stay light on your feet and avoid unnecessary high jumps completely. This technique improves endurance and prevents wasting energy during your workout. Switch into freestyle and mix movements to keep your body challenged. Keep moving forward and stay consistent throughout the entire challenge session. Your body is now fully activated and burning fat at high levels. This is where real transformation begins and visible results start forming. Slow down slightly but continue moving to maintain calorie burning momentum. Active recovery prevents sudden fatigue and keeps your system working efficiently. Do not stop, completely keep your body active and engaged throughout. Push into another fast round and challenge your limits once again. This is the moment where your mental strength is truly tested. Push harder than you think because your body can handle more. Your limits are higher than what your mind is telling you. Stay disciplined and trust the process for long-term transformation results. Control your breathing and maintain a steady, consistent jumping rhythm. Focus on smooth movements and avoid unnecessary tension in your body. Every second of effort contributes directly to your fat loss progress. Prepare yourself mentally because the final round is about to begin. Give everything you have left and finish this challenge with strength. This is your peak moment where maximum fat burning is achieved. Push through fatigue and prove your strength to yourself right now. You are stronger than your excuses and capable of finishing strong. Keep jumping continuously and do not allow yourself to stop early. Final seconds demand maximum effort, so give it everything you have. You are almost done. Stay focused and maintain your final rhythm. Keep pushing forward and stay committed until the very last second. Do not quit now. You are closer than ever to success. Finish strong with confidence and take pride in your effort today. Slow down gradually and allow your breathing to return to normal. Let your heart rate decrease slowly while staying lightly active moving. Feel the burn because this is real progress happening in your body. This is how effective fat loss actually works when done correctly. Stay consistent every day to see powerful and lasting transformation results. Try this for 7 days and watch your body completely transform.